Hello everybody, hi to all, good morning, have a nice day everybody too. So today I want to make a video with this lock EvvA EPS XP 5 sliders. This is slider system, not pins, and this change very many this change level of guard function of this lock, so very not friendly for picking, and this lock very good for, I think so, for guard home or in other important places. EvvA EPS XP slider system, not pins, slider. And EvvA make another completion, this model with 6 sliders, more difficult to open him, but we not have in my country 6 sliders, just 5, but 5 make good work too. Okay, we start, and I believe you know what I take another tension, this tension. This was fall gate, move of rotor. Okay. Not was asking normal of 5. Nice. First, second, third, 5. No, third not on the place. Okay. First, second, third, 5, 4, 3, enter, not bad, but not ask 5. Now we try to put nice, and now this lock make a little problem with this position. Just a moment, sorry. And to open him here, we can to sliders jump from place, and if this will, so we stop on this moment because this is take time. Side panel, this is what I try to find now. And I'm afraid to move sliders if this will. No. Just a moment. No? Come on. I think I need to change. You know what? Maybe. No. How? Boom, 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 boom. Okay. I have another tool, and I believe we make something. Nice. Very good. Very, very, very good. This is this place. I need a training to open side panel. So this is his open, and that's all. That's all. There are many openings what I make with him. All sliders jump from the place, all five, in this moment when I use side panel. So all jump, and you need to pick him once again in another location, another position. And I try to find the way for not enter in this problematic point. Maybe I found this. Okay, so thank you very much for the watching, and have a nice day, everybody. Bye bye.